Type in PR in the search bar, open Procreate, click the plus, and screen size. 2 fingers will allow you to resize the screen, add, insert photo, and put in the profile photo that you chose. Click the lasso tool at the top and click freehand. You can zoom up with 2 fingers so it's easier to see. Place the dot and see the dotted line? You can take the pen off and continue your selection. It won't stop. I really love this with Procreate. So keep going around all the way around until you connect to the dots. If you want to undo, 2-finger tap on the screen and it will undo. It will only undo where you last lifted off, which is why I intentionally draw a little bit, lift my pen, draw a little bit, lift my pen. That makes it much easier to undo. Tap the dot. Now you'll see it went black because the color fill was on and it was set onto black. We are going to do this, but it's a little soon for this. So we're going to do 3-finger drag down. We actually need to get rid of the background first. 3-finger drag down, and we are going to cut the background. You can see here I'm just showing you if you invert it, it shows you what's selected and cut. So you want to invert so you can cut, so that way the face is there and not the background. So don't forget to click invert. Now we're ready to click automatic, color fill, 1 tap, and it will fill the whole face in. So 2-finger undo, let's repeat. Automatic, color fill, choose your color. For this effect, it's easier to go with black. So just click the color wheel and double tap where the black is and it will give you the blackest of blacks. Now we are resizing 2-finger and we're about to copy and paste. So we are duplicating, flipping it horizontally. Now when we copy and paste or duplicate, it creates a new layer. So we're going to resize this one first so that it's touching right to the top. And then you'll see I'll click on the layers and you can see the 2 of them are on 2 separate layers now. So just click the arrow and you can resize the second one. Position it. Remember the white is the vase. Click on your layers, tap on the top layer and pinch with your 2 fingers. That will merge the layers for you so both faces are on one. We are going to duplicate that layer so that way you have a backup in case you need it. With automatic on, and color fill, the one with the paint bucket, choose the color you want and just tap inside. It will automatically fill the space with the same pixels. So you can see I changed mine to pink. So it was automatic color fill. Now we are doing the tracing around just like we did before with the freehand one. Remember to lift up a lot so that way you can 2-finger tap when you need to undo. And we are cutting and pasting it. When we do that, then the vase, the negative space, will be on its own layer. Now we can click alpha lock, and now here comes the fun part. I sped this up, but you can do whatever you want. I clicked on airbrushing and I started putting in lights on one side and then darks on the other side. You can go to any of the painting tools and put in any patterns, designs, lines. If you want to be able to erase, you will see I added an extra layer. So I added a layer for my yellows. I just duplicated the layer. So that way I have a couple layers to work on when I go to erase. But because we have alpha lock on, wherever you draw, it's not going to go into the faces. It's going to stay just in the negative space. So alpha lock stops you from drawing on the faces. So that's what we did at the first step. Here you can see I'm playing with the light effect, and now you just want to share it. So you make it a JPEG, save image, but we are also going to click share and see next to it there's video. and we want to export that video as well. We will put that video and your artwork onto Artsonia. So enjoy!